Okay, thank you so much for waiting. Today's it's Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. And we're gonna do a second part of this class because I had interconnection issues. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you again my screen. And we have a practice, a listening practice. I want you to complete the blanks that we have. We have 5 blanks in here. Okay, so no, 4 blanks in here. Okay, so you have to tell me what is the correct word in each blank. I'm gonna play it for you one more time, okay?
Is there anybody sitting here? Yes, there's somebody sitting here. Who's sitting here? Charles.
Okay, Sarah, what is the first one, sweetheart? Is
There anybody sit here?
Just Sarah. Is there anybody, Sarah?
Sitting here.
Sitting here, that's right. Here. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna continue with Natalie, the second line. Sarah,
Somebody.
can you read the sentence, please? Yes.
Yes, there is somebody sitting here.
Yes, there's somebody, affirmative. You're transmitting the idea of existence. There's somebody sitting here. That is correct. What about the next one? Deliver. Who's?
Was setting.
Okay, deliver. Let's repeat. Who's? Who's?
Her.
Who's?
Goose. Goose sitting.
Like ha, he,
Goose.
ho, who. Who's?
Goose.
Mi tesoro es con J. Who's?
Goose.
No es con G,
Who's.
G de gato.
Who's.
J. Who's?
Who's. Who's.
Okay.
Sitting.
Sitting here.
Sitting.
See. Sitting here.
Here.
Charles. That's correct. Okay, we're gonna continue with the possessive case. Before we go to this part, I'm just gonna explain to you what are the most common uses of these apostrophes so you don't get confused. Okay. So, the most common.
Miss, otra vez se flasheó.
Okay, the most common use for apostrophe S is as a contraction for the verb to be is. That is the most common use, okay? For example, Miss Maffers, my teacher. Okay, so in this case, this is exactly the same as saying this Miss Maffer is my teacher. Okay, or when you have a sentence like this, she is Ecuadorian. Okay, it is exactly the same as saying she is Ecuadorian. This is the first use, the most common use number 1. Now let's go to the use number 2. Okay, in the use number 2, we use it to express possession. Okay, possession, belonging. So to say that it's mine. For example, Miss Naffer's class is interesting. Okay, so this would be exactly the same as saying the class of Miss Naffer is interesting. You see? So to express possession, to express belonging, to express ownership. So if I say, Jellybear's microphone is open. It is exactly the same as saying the microphone of Jellybear is open. Okay, again, to express possession, belonging, or ownership. This is the use that we're going to analyze right now. The use number 2 to express this. Okay, in the use number 3 is as a contraction of the auxiliary verb has. Okay, but this is not for this level. This is the next level. Okay, this is the next level. Or maybe you have an idea like this. She's got a new car. So this would be like, she has got a new car. You see? But this is not what we're going to analyze. This is not what we're going to analyze right now. Okay, we're going to be focused on the second use that it is. To express possession, belonging, or ownership. Okay, now, this being said, I'm going to put it up here. Okay, and this is what we have. Now, what we do here is to add the apostrophe S in singular nouns. For example, boy, you put the apostrophe S, and here we have the example. The boy's bicycle is blue. So what is this? What does it mean? It means that the bicycle of the boy is blue. You see? Just start your sentence, or you understand it, that the owner, the possessor, is gonna go first. Okay, that's why you have the boy. The boy's bicycle is blue. So you start with the possessor, you start with the person, and then you have the object. Okay? In the second part, it says plural nouns, you add apostrophe and that's it. And we have the boys. So in this case, how many? 2 or more, because it's plural. So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna put the apostrophe S or just the apostrophe? Just the apostrophe and nothing else. That's it. You see, just the apostrophe alone, nothing else. Exactly the same happens when you have a name that ends with the letter S. For example, Andres' laptop costs $1,000. You see? And it means the laptop of Andres cost $1,000. Okay? So what do I mean here? That you're gonna use just the apostrophe and that's it, no S. This is gonna be incorrect. Okay, when you have the plural noun or you have a name that starts, well, that ends with the letter S, you just use the apostrophe and nothing else. That's gonna be everything that you have to do. Okay? What about in the irregular plural nouns? We have examples here. Children. Children refers to plural, 2 or more. Okay? But in this case, as it is irregular, you are just going to put the apostrophe S to indicate possession. So this would be exactly the same, like saying the bicycles of the children are blue. Okay? The bicycles of the children are blue. Repito, de manera regular, tenemos 3 usos para ese apóstrofe S. Apóstrofe S. La primera y la más conocida desde que ustedes estaban en la escuela era la contracción o la forma corta, la forma informal del verbo to be is, para la tercera persona singular. Y decíamos como que She's my mom. Espérame un segundito.